Hello guys. I recently found a guy um, on YouTube, and he made really cool concepts with comic blocks. So I subscribed to him then already, and I think 2 days ago he came up with a really cool concept, and it was a concept of really how do you say, smooth gliding blocks, I guess. But it was really much work to set up. So yeah, well, I will try to show it first. My PC isn't as good as his, and it really depends on how good your PC is. So it probably won't look as smooth as his, but if you have a good PC, it will look better. So I might do a cut here because maybe it doesn't work out the first time smoothly. So yeah, I'll show it now. Well, it actually works out perfectly in my opinion. I mean, there was a little lag spike there, but it looks really smooth, as you could see. So this mess of comic blocks makes movement. So yeah, I will link him in the description. Make sure to check him out. He is really cool. He makes really cool things anyways. And yeah, this could be really handy for map making, but makers, because yeah, it looks really cool. But if you have a lot of them, it will lag pretty bad basically, and as you could see, it's really a lot of work to set up. But that's why I make this video now. I actually made a MC edit filter for it. So yeah, I will show you how it works in a bit, and there will be a download link, of course. And it's actually really easy to use. It's I just learned Python a few days ago for another filter, which I will show off later, probably a lot later. But then I came across this idea, and I really want to be able to use this frequently in a map I'm probably going to make. And yeah, other people probably as well. So, and I would just show this thing working basically, because it looks kind of cool as well. As you can see, that redstone block makes it so one com block gets activated each game tick instead of redstone tick. So it's smoother because of that. It's twice as smooth, I guess. And yeah, that's basically all. And I have one other example what you could do with this in adventure maps. So this, yeah, you will see. So basically it created a new block or something, and if you have a texture pack it can look a bit cooler, but it was, yeah, basically now from glowstone and redstone block together you get a redstone lamp, which kind of makes sense, and I think it looks really cool. So yeah, I will first of all show you how the filter works. So we first of all need to get the block we want to move. Let's say we want to move this node. Place it at the starting point where it needs to move from. Then you can close your game, so there will be a quick cut here, and then you start up MC edit. So yes, I have a lot of words. So it's this word. So this is me. So you basically first of all select the block you want to move. So this is its starting point, and now if we want to move this, let's say 2 blocks upwards, we just expand the area 2 blocks upwards, and now the block you have selected here is the block where it will end up in. So you can do it like this, because if you do it like this, it will just basically give an error, nothing will happen. I made it so it won't screw up further than that, but it won't work anyways. So you need to do it manually if you want to move to the side afterwards. So then you would need to fill the yellow block up with the snow, and yeah, well, basically do the same process, but expand the box in the other side. So now it will move from where it is now to the other side of the box basically. If we go to filter, moving block creator, I might change the name, but probably not. And then you see max height. So as you can see, these structures are pretty high, and if it's yeah, it might not fit in the place you want to build it. And because I was able to make this feature pretty easy, I just made it, because now you can limit the height for, to 20, so it would just get wide instead of higher. So if we now hit filter, you see this window pops up, and yeah, this cast, that's a Dutch word, I don't know why I called schematic like that, but well, so you can save it as a schematic. So let's say snow block and hit save. Now we can just hit import and then import snow block, and here you have it. So we can, yeah, that's about okay, I guess. You can just place it somewhere, hit import, and that's all. So I will now go in-game again and show you how it looks and how you use it basically. So now we're in-game again, and so what I meant with how you use it is how to activate it, because it doesn't really make an activator, but the way you activate it is placing a redstone block here at this spot. So if you would want to do this from distance, you hit F3, you do /set block, then the coordinates of where you're standing basically. So it's the part between brackets. If it's in a min, that's the absolute number basically. And then 5, and then 590, and then redstone block. So we copy this, delete, enter, and then you can just paste it somewhere, get the button, and now it should work. Not sure what happened there. Let's see. Oh. It should be 91. What was in this block? The same as that, so I can just restore it. That was a stupid mistake. Okay, now it should work fine. I just set up the coordinates wrong. So 3, yeah. As you can see, it glides really smoothly, and while it's gliding, it's entity, of course, because you can place a block in between blocks, kinda, but you can place entities about wherever you want. So as you can see here, it's a really exact number, and oops, here I mean. So you can pass through it while it's moving, but when it's done moving, it will automatically set it to a solid block again. And yeah, if you basically the only thing I changed here, because I made 2 of those and made them move from there, these spots both to the center. And then for creating a new block, I in the first pillar, here's where it normally sets the block which moved, but I just changed the data value here to 1 to 3 instead of, I don't know, the ID of glowstone probably. And in the other one, because that one wants to create a block there as well, but I didn't need another block, so I could just have removed it, but I thought I can just use this common block to make it a bit fancier. So I just pasted a command for basically spawning a firework rocket in the right colors. So yeah, this is a bit messed up, but it will still work. It will just use the blocks which I made the filter, which I used the filter on. So as you could see, it was a bit laggier now, I think. And so that's basically all for the filter. It's really nice in my opinion, really handy. I would love to I would like if more people would see this so they really can use it, because probably most of my audience won't do anything with adventure map kind of thing, so I will make sure to upload it to Planet Minecraft as well, and I hope people will see it there. That's all, and see you all later. Bye.